Okay, in this topic we'll be looking, write it here down, we'll be looking at the clockwise rotation through 360 degrees. So this is clockwise rotation through 360 degrees. All right, or this is also known, or we can also call it anti-clockwise rotation, right, through 360 degrees. Right, what has happened here? Okay, let me summarize it here with a small diagram. You have a circle, and let's do it very simple. You come from here and go all the way around this way, you end up to the starting point. Or you may start from the starting point and go backwards direction, and you end up back where you started from, so you end up with the same points. Okay, so nothing changes, but we need to work with a problem like this so we can see what actually happens with the problem. So consider a triangle. Consider a triangle ABC, and if they don't give it the label of the triangle, then you label it. All right, so triangle ABC with vertices, and the vertices values are as follows: -5 and 3, -2 and 1, and -1 and 4 respectively. Very important, those words, because if this is a multiple choice question and a diagram being given and the keywords are not there, they can be confusing, or if you don't follow that labeling or those words, then you may have problem with the problem. So it says now, find the image of triangle ABC under a clockwise rotation of 360 degrees about the origin. Okay, so those are the things which we will be looking at. So just remember, if they say clockwise rotation through 360, it is the same thing as clockwise anti-clockwise through 360 degrees. All right, so our solution to the problem will be as follows. We will be using the equation that pertains to such a problem. We'll be using the rotation of 0 to -360 degrees such to the point xy is mapped to xy. Y, nothing changes. Remember, from where you started, you have ended. So if you go backwards, it's the same thing. So we do our working. We have now rotation of 0 -360 degrees such that A, which is -5 and 3, that will be mapped to A prime -5 and 3. Nothing changes. Rotation of the other point such that B is -2 and 1, that is mapped to B prime -2 and 1. Nothing changes there again. Okay, and the other point we have likewise, nothing will change. Put C -1 and 4, that is mapped to C prime -1 and 4. So that is our mapping for such thing. So whenever you're doing anti-clockwise rotation through 360, it's the same thing as clockwise rotation through 60. What are you going to use? This equation here. This is the equation that you need to use. So keep this sheet also as reference for finding such problem. Now we haven't finished yet. We have only worked out the problem. So how do we state our solution? We're going to state now hence, and I want to see this step when I give us such problems. Hence the image coordinates of triangle ABC are A prime such that A prime is negative 5 and 3, B prime is negative 2 and 1, and C prime is negative 1 and 4. So that is how you're going to be stating your problem, and make sure you put your full stop. Okay, so we have done 3 types of rotation at this present time.